Okay, so we've opened NC Studio. Just go File, New. We're going to edit, insert DXF. Locate the file that we saved just before. For me, it's on the network. It should be showing up. Not showing up. Come on, motherfucker. Definitely not showing up. There we go. Desktop. This one. That's the one there. We got saved. Click OK. Now we've got the whole. See how up here we've got two polylines. So it hasn't quite overkilled and flat shot properly. So we're just going to get rid of the one that's useless. It's just up here. So we're going to get rid of that. Polyline 06, delete. And now we are left with our drawing. It should be all good. So I'll highlight the whole polyline. Tell it to go counterclockwise. Change my angles as per customer requirements. So right click, escape, escape. Point select. Right click, escape, escape. Point select. We're going to change this angle to 12 degrees. 12, and we want it tilting right perfectly. We're going to change the next one to 12 degrees as well. 12 degrees tilt right, and we want this one here to be 46 degrees. 46, point to point, 46, enter, and that's pretty much it. So I can now set my intros, highlight the polyline, go intro. I would like it's a manual intro. I would like it to start over here, and then I will right click, escape, escape, highlight the whole lot again, go compute my tool compensation, and that's all ready to go. I hit save and put in the title of it. So urban bar top 48 by 192 by 150R. Save that. Done. Now if I hover over the cutting screen over here, go over there, we can see it's all ready to go. We just have to do our XY0 as explained before. That's it. Save. Now I can get out of that. May as well save it as well. Save. No, put flat. Overkill. Save. Done. So now we're starting to see Studio again. If it's not already running. On my machine, I'll have to ignore the warnings because I don't have the water jet connected. The errors that are going to pop up. Like that one, ignore. So we're going to hover over here, go to the drawing screen, got a new file, so file new or just hit control new. Now I want to edit and import DXF, which is the drawing we made from CAD. Locate where you've put the drawing. So for me, I know where I put it in a shared folder. It's not going to work. 1 second. Just waiting for the network to reconfigure. Should be right in a sec. Good to go. Refresh our network over here. No, it's still no good. Connecting, thinking about it. Right, I'm going to just restart the virtual machine and do this again.